Assalamu alaikum. I am MD Sirajul Munir Mim. I am from section 7. My metric grade is A20 EC4035. So our project, this is phase 4. This is an alternative assessment on uh, instead of the final exam. So this is we have to make the prototype for individual part. So there are a lot of parts which is done by our group mates and other peoples. But I choose order which is 1.4. Now I am telling its overview and how I make the prototype, how the logical DFD helps me, my reflection, etc. So in this project, the overview of the project, I want to brief something about this. So the overview of the project is this is the e-commerce website, and you know that yeah, e-commerce website helps us to what to say to uh, buy from online, and uh, it is a very good way to uh, good way for the online businessmen also. They find it very reliable and easy to work from home, and even in the COVID situation they can easily handle these things. They can sell clothes, phones, any goods. They can sell anything. So this is the name of this system is Click to Card. Is an e-commerce program that allows us to buy online in countries such as Malaysia, Indonesia, etc. It recommends things based on user states, is well known for daily deals and one of the kind specials. So my part was the order item, how to order from Click to Cart, and how to place the order. So how to place the order and how to give order from a user, and how to receive a order into the system, and how the system will work, how the system will act when someone orders something. This is the main factor here. So if I go if I go to the PowerPoint slides again, we can see that there is a physical DFD. This DFD, here we can see customer, we can see staff, we can see user. Here user is the app user, here is the customer, is the staff. And for the order part, we have a lot of things to do with it for the order part. And so in the order item, you can see there is an option of cancellation of confirmed order, then the confirm order thing. After adding to the cart which I choose to buy, there are a lot of things to in order, like confirm order, cancellation of order, then the payment after ordering, then send invoice, etc, etc, is a physical DFD shows. Then if I go to the child diagram of the order part, we can see that if when a user checks item and price, then the system will receive order. The system will receive order from the user, and then it will check the product if the product has availability or not. If the product does not have availability, it will send a letter or a message to the user. And if the product has availability, then it will send the place after placing the order, it will send an invoice, and the invoice will be directed to the user, and also it will store data to the system. This is my child diagram of order part. And if we go to the process specification, if when the order part, when someone starts ordering, they have to begin order. After receiving the order details from the customer, the system will give you confirmation about the order. Then it will automatically store the information of order history in the system, and then the order process will end. The mockup GUIs we have to talk. There is a mockup GUI I firstly make for placing order. The first thing is, here we can see the click to cart. thing. And is that the thing? Yes, yes, yes. So this is the mock-up graphical user interfaces which I submitted in the interim submission. So I don't want to say from here. I want to go to the prototype demo. And here is the prototype demo. We can see that it is the prototype demo. It's a screen of iPhone XR or 11. And we can see from that the prototype demo is here is we can see a iPhone 12 Pro Max, its price, it has discount, it also shows the product availability, it also shows the similar products of these, its variation. It actually a mock-up display of the prototype I have designed for the order part. Now I want to explain something from the child diagram, that how it actually works, goes with the prototype. So I explained in the report, so I want to tell from there. When you can see that yes, this is the one. This is the GUI one, figure one. So this is the one we can see from the child diagram. The user will choose his product, and he or she will check his desired product. Then you will be directed to the figure one. When someone choose product, like if he chooses 12 Pro Max, he will directly directed to be the page here, and here he can see the discount thing, similar products available. Here you can see the available products. These available products actually depends on the child diagram. You can see product availability checking. When some orders is done, some order is done, the system will check the product is available or not. That's why it is showing available number of products. It's also showing the similar products, the discount things, etc., etc. Then if this available products is zero, then it will send the invoice like the child diagram that the product is not available, etc., etc. Then for the part of figure 2, you can see that if I choose the iPhone 12 Pro Max and I want to check out from the order and confirm my order, and if I only want to choose this, so I will go to here, and I can see the part here iPhone 12 Pro Max and things. So we can see that the price is 1900 ringgit. We can see a plus button and a minus button. Here we can order more what we want, 1 2 3 4, that etc. Here we can see the select payment method, the delivery, estimated delivery, the delivery charge. You can see from here. After that, we can place order. The chooses When a user chooses his product, the user will be directed to the final call of ordering. This is the final call of ordering after choosing some product. This is the final call of ordering some product. And if the user clicks on place order, here is the place order. The system will show an overview of invoice according to the child diagram. So the what child diagram shows, actually child diagram shows that if the person is ready to purchase, then it will send the invoice after placing place order. You can see here there is a place on or place order option in here. Here is the option of placing order. After it will and then they will be directed to the payment method. He will pay according to the card or cash, whatever he or she choose, and then he will be directed to the thing, directed to the invoice. Then if I again go to the prototype demo, here is a prototype demo of my two GUIs I have made for this, and the self reflection I want to tell from here that my reflection, actually, what to say, this was a great experience with Dr. Laila Rashid, Dr. Dr. Laila Rashid Hassan. As a student of computer science software engineering, UTM, this course is a must to take, and this course really helped me to develop my skill and so on. I was really appreciated by our doctor when I was drawing the child diagram, the DFD, all these things. These things are really needed for this the computer science. Without these things, we cannot understand the system, and the system cannot do the analysis in the later life. We need to do our testing and these things. We have to design our interface for a company or for a for university or any kind of app. So this course taught me a lot about system design and system analysis. I must say, and I have learned about child diagrams, context diagram, physical DFD. All these parts are important for my computer engineering, especially for those who loves to work with system analysis and design part. And design parts, it really makes me happy when I do design for these things. I really do this from my heart because design is another reflection of love, I think. And these things comes from heart, not from our head. So uh, and I want to say that before this I didn't know anything about how to design all these things. This course actually made me capable of do all these things, actually made me better to design in Adobe XD and these things, and live design and continue further. I want to just design live things and continue further work in this field. That's what I have learned from this overview of this is my prototype demo. This is the first view I have made, child diagrams, etc., etc. Thank you very much.